Welcome to our beginner's guide on using Hostinger AI to launch your blog quickly in 2025. Let's dive into what Hostinger AI is and how it can work for you. Using Hostinger AI for your blogging needs means faster setup, smart suggestions, and reduced stress. Perfect for beginners. Let's go through the easy steps to set up your Hostinger account so you can get started in no time. With Hostinger AI, generating blog ideas is as simple as a click. Watch how easily you can brainstorm. Now, let's create your first blog post using Hostinger AI's powerful tools. It's easy. Finding the right template can set your blog apart. Let's explore Hostinger's suggested options. Customization is key. Here's how you can give your blog a unique look with Hostinger's AI assistance. Don't forget SEO. Hostinger AI helps you optimize your blog to reach more readers. Let's see how. You're ready to go live. Just a few easy steps to publish your blog and share your voice with the world. Finally, some tips to keep your blog thriving and growing using Hostinger AI. Your journey doesn't end here.